Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today we will talk about the wooden crafts project ideas fostering connections to nature by showing you more than 80 different wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas to decorate your home, office, or patio space. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Incorporating wooden crafts into living spaces serves to deepen this connection to nature for homeowners and their families. Wooden furniture, decor, and functional items introduce organic elements into the home, creating an environment that feels grounded and connected to the earth. A handcrafted wooden dining table becomes more than just a place to eat, it becomes a gathering point where meals are shared, stories are told, and relationships are nurtured. The natural imperfections and unique features of the wood, knots, grain variations, and color differences tell a story of their own, serving as conversation starters that invite reflection on the beauty of nature's diversity. By surrounding ourselves with wooden crafts, we are reminded of the life cycle of the trees from which they came and the ecosystems that sustain us. Furthermore, wooden crafts can serve as educational tools that foster a deeper understanding of nature, particularly for children. Engaging in woodworking projects can be a hands-on way to teach young ones about the origins of materials, the importance of sustainable practices, and the delicate balance of ecosystems. When children participate in crafting with wood, they learn to appreciate the resources that nature provides, gaining insights into the values of conservation and respect for the environment. A simple project, such as building a birdhouse or crafting wooden toys, can spark curiosity about the natural world, encouraging exploration and fostering a lifelong love for nature. These experiences create lasting memories and instill values that will resonate throughout their lives. The versatility of wooden crafts further enhances their ability to foster connections to nature. Whether it's a functional item, like a wooden bowl, or a decorative piece, wood can be transformed into an array of objects that serve various purposes while maintaining their natural essence. For instance, a wooden planter box allows individuals to bring greenery into their homes, creating a direct link to the earth as plants grow and thrive in their care. This not only beautifies the space, but also promotes a sense of responsibility and connection to the natural world. The act of nurturing plants within a wooden vessel reinforces the idea that we are stewards of the earth, encouraging individuals to cultivate both their indoor and outdoor environments with care and intention. The aesthetic qualities of wooden crafts also contribute to a deeper connection to nature. The warm hues of wood, the rich textures, and the natural variations in grain patterns evoke feelings of comfort and tranquility, creating spaces that feel harmonious and alive. This organic beauty stands in stark contrast to the often stark, artificial materials that dominate contemporary design, reminding us of the importance of incorporating natural elements into our surroundings. A well-placed wooden feature, such as a handcrafted shelf or a decorative wall piece, can serve as a focal point that draws the eye and invites contemplation, fostering a sense of peace and connection to the world outside. This aesthetic appeal encourages individuals to curate their living spaces with intention, selecting pieces that resonate with their values and experiences. Additionally, the stories behind wooden crafts can foster connections to nature in profound ways. Each piece tells a story of the tree from which it originated, the artisan who shaped it, and the journey it has taken to become a part of someone's home. When individuals learn about the background of the materials used in their crafts, they become more mindful of their choices and the impact those choices have on the environment. This narrative aspect adds depth to the experience of owning wooden items. As they become more than just objects, they embody a relationship with nature that is both personal and collective. By sharing these stories with family and friends, individuals further reinforce the significance of nature in their lives, encouraging a broader conversation about sustainability and environmental awareness. In a world where urban living often disconnects individuals from nature, wooden crafts offer a tangible link to the natural environment. The presence of wood in our homes can evoke a sense of nostalgia and familiarity, reminding us of our roots and the importance of preserving the natural world. Whether it's through the choice of handcrafted furniture or decorative accessories, the integration of wood into living spaces serves as a constant reminder of the beauty and value of the environment. This connection can inspire individuals to take action in their own lives, whether by supporting sustainable practices, advocating for conservation, or simply spending more time in nature. The act of surrounding ourselves with wooden crafts can ignite a passion for environmental stewardship, encouraging us to recognize our role in protecting the planet for future generations. Moreover, the resurgence of interest in handmade and artisanal goods reflects a growing appreciation for the craftsmanship and dedication that goes into creating wooden items. In a world dominated by mass production and disposable culture, the value of handcrafted wooden crafts becomes increasingly apparent. Each piece is imbued with the artisan's skill, passion, and respect for the material, fostering a deeper connection to nature and the traditions that have shaped our understanding of craftsmanship. This appreciation for handmade goods extends beyond aesthetics. It embodies a commitment to quality, sustainability, and the preservation of cultural heritage. By supporting artisans who prioritize sustainable practices, individuals can contribute to a movement that values connection to nature and the importance of mindful consumption. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The process of crafting with wood can also serve as a form of therapy, allowing individuals to reconnect with nature on a personal level. Engaging in woodworking projects can provide a sense of accomplishment and fulfillment, fostering a deeper appreciation for the natural world and the materials it offers. The act of transforming raw wood into a finished product requires focus and intention, encouraging individuals to step away from the distractions of modern life and immerse themselves in the tactile experience of working with their hands. This meditative quality of woodworking fosters a sense of peace and grounding, reinforcing the connection to nature that is often lost in our fast-paced, technology-driven lives. Finally, the ability of wooden crafts to foster connections to nature extends beyond individual experiences to encompass broader community engagement. Many artisans and craft communities emphasize the importance of sustainability and environmental awareness, often collaborating with local organizations to promote conservation efforts. Workshops and classes centered around woodworking can provide opportunities for individuals to come together, share skills, and learn about the significance of sustainable practices. These community-driven initiatives not only foster connections among participants, but also encourage a collective understanding of the importance of preserving the natural world. As individuals share their passion for woodworking and the environment, they inspire one another to take action and make positive changes in their own lives. The myriad wooden crafts project ideas available today offer far more than mere functionality. They serve as powerful vehicles for fostering connections to nature in our living spaces. Through the appreciation of the material, the mindfulness of the crafting process, and the aesthetic beauty of wooden items, individuals can deepen their relationship with the natural world. Wooden crafts invite us to reflect on our role as stewards of the earth, encouraging us to embrace sustainable practices and cultivate a genuine appreciation for the environment. By incorporating wooden items into our homes, we not only enhance our living spaces but also celebrate the stories and experiences that connect us to nature. In a rapidly changing world, the timeless appeal of wooden crafts serves as a reminder of the beauty, diversity, and importance of the natural world, inspiring us to nurture these connections for generations to come. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked for wooden craft projects for home styling and selling. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.